Hey, Sophie Andreu here. I have a secret I want to tell you. Okay, it's not going to be a secret after I tell you. You can actually post on Instagram, not just from your cell phone, but also on your laptop. What? Well, thank goodness, my new friend Trevor Brook, he is from Community Futures in Prince Edward County. Oh my goodness, I love this guy. So I was facilitating a workshop, a full day workshop, and at the end of it, those people who participated in the workshop through all these tests and questions and whatnot, they received a certification for digital marketing. In it, I also found out something that I'm going to share with you from Trevor. I absolutely love him. So you can, from your laptop, post on Instagram. How do you say? You're on your Instagram, you're looking down, you don't see any way to add anything. We know that, but this is what he showed me, so pay attention. You right click, and you can only do this in Chrome, okay? So you right click. Once you've right clicked, click on inspect, okay? So let's click on inspect. Then what happens is this thing comes up. The bottom right corner here, you can see something that looks like a cell phone within a tablet. It says toggle device toolbar. So let's click on that. Toggle device toolbar. So it moves around a little bit. Okay, did it actually do anything? Well, it doesn't quite yet. You actually have to go up to your browser up here for some reason. Don't do a refresh. You have to go to your browser and press return. And sometimes it doesn't work right away, I found, either. So you do that. You press return. Let's see if it does it for us. So wait for it. So it doesn't look like it did it right away yet, but don't panic. Don't panic. I found what happened too sometimes if I go to my own profile, like I click on my profile to look at my posts. So I go here to look at my posts. So then I go back to this toggle device toolbar, and okay, so now it's looking at it as though it's a cell phone, right? Okay, that's cool, but I still can't add anything. I don't see the little pluses down here, right? I still don't see the little pluses. Well, now go to the toolbar up above and press return. I'm sorry, go to your browser and press return. So let's do that. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Are you excited? Are you excited? Oh, that must have looked horrible. I've just come back from a run. I didn't even shower or anything. I just wanted to tell you guys about this, so I must look like a mess. But anyways, this is just too exciting not to share. Okay, do you see what just happened? Do you see it? There's a plus. There is a plus. This is what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, Trevor, thank you so much. So if you're like me, you're out and about, you normally use your cell phone. Big deal, Soph. But if you're like me, you also have a high-end camera, you take some glorious photos. And sometimes you want to use your glorious photos and you've got them on your computer. So let's go to plus. Now, all of a sudden, I can add from my computer. Oh, I'm so happy. So let's just go to some photos. And so all of my photos are here. My real high-end photos for my clients, for what I do for myself. I am so thrilled. So if I look at today, I just happened to put something up there and I selected the photo. Isn't that exciting? Okay, so let's see if we can do some of the things that we can normally do. So I want to, I don't know how to do that. I want to, oh, there I do. Okay, you know how I want to make this, there we go. I want to make it the full screen. I can do that, no problem. So you're probably going to ask, can I do filters? Yes, I can do filters. Okay, very cool. So you click on filter, you go, where are they, Soph? Well, where are they? There you go. You can actually change the filters if you want. So everything we can do normally on Instagram, you can still do here. So I've got to move this over a little bit different. Maybe I want to make this look like Lark. So I think that looks pretty cool, right? So I can edit it. I can change the filters, everything I could normally do. I can click on next now, and I can write a cap. This is great. So I'm saying digital marketing workshop delivered and certified. Congratulations to everyone. Okay, so I'm able to say what I want to say. I can add location. It's going to want to ask me about my location on my computer. I can tag people. So I'm so pleased. So I'm done. I've got what I want to say. I can share. The only thing I don't see is if it's going to go to my Facebook page as well. So I don't see that ability on here. But let's just click on share and see what happens. If I didn't tag anyone, I should have tagged someone, and I should have used some hashtags, but I really just want to show you how you can do this from your laptop. Yeah. Oh, aren't you excited? Okay, you are so excited. I know. Okay, so let's just go look at my deck. And do you think it's there? Do you think it worked? It worked! Aren't you excited? It's so exciting it worked. Okay, so there you go. Shh, it's a secret. Just keep it between you and me, okay? So excited. Thank you, Trevor. Thank you, thank you, thank you.